Hello and welcome to our channel TNV Academy. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more informative content. Today we are diving into the key requirements of ISO 17021-2015, the standard that sets requirements for bodies that provide audit and certification of management system. So let's break it down. Impartiality and objectivity. One of the most critical requirements of ISO 17021-2015 is impartiality. Certification bodies must ensure that their audit process is free from bias and conflicts of interest. This means auditors should not be influenced by financial, commercial, and personal relationships with the organizations they audit. The standard requires a structured approach to identifying and eliminating any risk to impartiality, ensuring credibility and trust in the certification process. Competence of auditors and certification personnel. Auditors play a key role in the certification process and their competence is crucial. ISO 17021-2015 requires certification bodies to establish criteria for selecting, training, and evaluating auditors. Auditors must have the necessary knowledge, skills, and experience to assess the management systems they audit. This includes understanding the specific standard being audited, industry-specific risk, and audit techniques. Process requirements. The certification process must follow a structured approach. This includes application and contract review, ensuring the client meets the scope of certification. Audit planning. Defining the objectives, scope, and methodology of the audit. Stage 1 audit. Review of documentation and readiness for certification. Stage 2 audit. A detailed assessment of the management system's implementation. Decision-making and certification. Ensuring an independent review before granting certification. Surveillance audits. Ongoing monitoring to ensure continued compliance. Recertification audits conducted before the certification expires, ensuring continued conformance. Each step must be documented and records must be maintained for transparency and accountability. Confidentiality and security of information. Certification bodies handle sensitive information during the audit process. ISO 17021-2015 requires them to implement policies and procedures to ensure confidentiality and prevent unauthorized disclosure of client information. This is essential to build trust with clients and maintain the integrity of the certification process. Resource management. Certification bodies must ensure they have adequate resources, including qualified auditors and technical experts, proper infrastructure and technology for audits. Effective management of audit teams. Having the right resources ensures that audits are conducted professionally, efficiently, and in line with ISO 17021 requirements. So there you have it, the key requirements of ISO 17021-2015 ensure that certification bodies operate with impartiality, competence, and a structured approach to audits. This standard is crucial in maintaining the credibility of management system certifications worldwide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on ISO standards and certification processes. Also, let me know in the comments if you'd like to deep dive into specific section of ISO 17021. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.